Welcome to the pizza shop that taught me wealth. Hey there, future millionaire. Welcome to a story that's more than just about pizza. It's about purpose, power, and planning your financial future. In today's world, being smart with money is as important as earning it, and this fun, vibrant tale of two teens will show you just how simple and life-changing it can be. Join Rishi and Anya on a flavorful journey from broke college students to savvy business owners, all starting from a single slice and a money-saving tip. Get ready to laugh, learn, and get inspired to save smart, invest young, and dream big. Grab a slice and a notebook, and let's cook up some financial freedom. Title: The Pizza Shop That Taught Me Wealth. Rishi, a 19-year-old college student, was always broke. He'd spend his pocket money on gadgets and snacks and never had enough by the end of the month. One evening, craving pizza, he realized he couldn't afford a simple slice. Meanwhile, his classmate Anya, smart, observant, and slightly nerdy, walked past him munching on a pizza slice from Mama Rocco's Pizzeria, a shop known not just for food, but for its buy one, learn one discount for students who read a finance tip with their order. Rishi, Anya, how do you always have money? Anya smiled. I budget. I save. I invest. And I learn something with every pizza. That sentence changed everything. Curious, Rishi visited the pizza shop the next day. With every slice came a sticky note with a money tip. Some examples. Tip number 1. Save at least 20% of every rupee you get. Tip number 2. Learn to make your money work for you. Tip number 3. Wants is not equal to needs. Rishi began following them. He created a monthly budget using a free app, started tracking expenses, and said no to impulsive purchases. One day, Mama Rocco herself sat beside him. Mama, this shop was started with 5,000 rupees and a dream. I invested early, learned about compound interest, and never let money control me. I controlled it. That night, Rishi couldn't sleep. He started watching videos, reading books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and opened a zero-balance savings account. Months passed. Rishi began freelancing online, editing videos, creating posters, and saving every rupee. Anya introduced him to mutual funds and SIPs. Rishi, why didn't they teach this in school? Anya, because most schools teach you how to earn, not how to grow wealth. Together, they started a social media page called Pocket Power, short videos explaining money tips to young people. Their followers grew fast. They made ad revenue, taught budgeting classes, and held money challenges like No Spend Week. A year later, Mama Rocco announced she was retiring and selling the pizza shop. Rishi and Anya, using savings, investments, and a small loan, bought the shop. But they had a twist. It became India's first financial literacy pizza cafe. Every meal came with a money tip, a QR code for finance lessons, and free budgeting notebooks. They franchised the idea, and within 3 years, there were 50 such cafes across India. Their startup got funded. They spoke at TEDx, colleges, and government events. Rishi, now 23, spoke to thousands of students. Rishi, the richest people aren't always the ones who earn the most, they're the ones who manage their money the best. It's not about how much you earn, but how wisely you spend, save, and invest. The crowd cheered. As the camera zoomed out, the tagline flashed on screen, speech balloons start small. Think big. Eat pizza. Learn finance. Key financial lessons from the story. Budgeting is the foundation of financial success. Saving early leads to financial freedom. Investing grows your wealth passively. Control your desires. Understand needs versus wants. Financial literacy is the ultimate life skill.